St. Alphonsus High School, guided by its motto, Truth and Service, and theme, Joy of Learning, has grown into a thriving center of academics and values with resilience, creativity, and compassion nurtured in students. Every achievement reflects the dedication of teachers, enthusiasm of learners, and support of parents, making the school a true legacy of excellence.
Eucharistic Mass was conducted on 11 June 2025 by the parish priest, followed by inaugurating the kindergarten play area, accompanied by Reverend Brother Sudhir Kumar Reddy, Reverend Brother Palayana, and Reverend Brother P.T. Sebastian.
SSC 2024-25 results brought pride to the school with 10 students scoring above 550 and 72 above 500 marks. Congratulations to all the achievers for their success through hard work and guidance.
On June 2nd, 2025, the school celebrated Telangana Formation Day with Principal Reverend Brother Sudhir Kumar Reddy hoisting the national flag to honor the state's rich culture and spirit.
On June 9th, 2025, St. Alphonsus High School held a staff seminar led by Reverend Brother Anthony Reddy. Leadership practical strategies for classroom discipline, offering teachers valuable guidance for daily practice.
Kindergarten orientation was held on June 14, 2025 to introduce parents to school rules and highlight their vital role in supporting the child's early learning journey.
On June 21st, World Yoga Day was celebrated under the guidance of Yoga Guru Mr. S.J. Prakash with NCC cadets, scouts and students actively participating to highlight yoga's importance for health and discipline. The event was graced by the chief guest from the 31st Telangana Battalion NCC.
On the occasion of Anti-Drugs Day, our school held an awareness campaign on 26/6/2025 where the NCC cadets and scouts marched with placards and slogans to the Government Junior College, concluding with a banner declaring "Defeat Drugs, End All Dangers."
On June 30, 2025, Mr. S. Lud Reddy, a senior teacher, was felicitated by Reverend Brother P.T. Sebastian for his dedicated service all through the years, leaving behind a legacy of commitment and professionalism.
The Ignis Teacher Ceremony was held on June 26, 2025 with newly elected student leaders and Master Shantan Kumar as Boys School Pupil Leader and Kumari Manaswini as the Girls School Pupil Leader. They took an oath to uphold their responsibilities, making a solemn promise before the chief guest and guest of honor who inspired the gathering with their addresses.
On August 1st, 2025, the school celebrated the feast of St. Alphonsus Maria de Lugori with a holy mass. On the same day, Miss Marilu was felicitated by Brother and Father Arla Reddy for her long and dedicated service.
The school organized a medical camp with doctors from multiple specialties, offering health consultations for students and parents on 2nd August 2025. This was followed by a parents-teacher meeting where parents reviewed their children's progress and shared feedback to strengthen home-school collaboration.
Primary students celebrated Raksha Bandhan on 8th August 2025 with Rakhis and sweets, highlighting love, protection and togetherness while fostering harmony and friendship.
On August 12, 2025, when Brother Shajan Anthony, Provincial Superior of Pune Province, visited the school, attended the student-led assembly and appreciated their discipline. He also planted saplings with Brother Sudhir Kumar Reddy, symbolizing environmental commitment, inspire students with the message on values, excellence and service.
Assistant General Reverend Brother Dhanraj visited our school on 22nd January 2026 from Rome, and his visit greatly inspired both the staff and students.
The Miles Installation Ceremony was held on August 13, 2025 with Reverend Brother Sebastian as chief guest. Newly selected members took the leadership oath with ceremonial candles and were inspired by his address on integrity, confidence and compassion in leadership.
Members of Miles visited Mother Teresa's home and Bhala Bhavan to distribute groceries, sweets and blankets.
On August 15, 2025, the school celebrated the 79th Independence Day. Chief guest Mr. D.V.N. Reddy, alumnus and Reverend Brother Sudhir Kumar Reddy hoisted the national flag. Students delivered speeches in 3 languages and presented cultural performances while the chief guest inspired all with his message on patriotism.
On September 5th, Teachers' Day was celebrated with students honoring their mentors through cultural performances, gifts and a special lunch, making the occasion warm and memorable.
On that auspicious day, school celebrated birthday of Reverend Mr. Balayenna, principal of Montfort School CBSE, with a great joy and enthusiasm. The management and the teachers extended warm wishes acknowledging Brother's contribution in the school community.
A new auditorium was constructed to meet the growing needs of the school and provide better venue for academic and cultural programs. It was blessed by Most Reverend Karnam Dhaman Kumar, Bishop of Nalgonda Diocese, and inaugurated by Srimati Ila Tripathi, IAS, District Collector and Magistrate Nalgonda, along with Reverend Brother Shajan Anthony, Reverend Brother Shan Alex, Reverend Brother Vincent Reddy, and retired teachers. The event marked a proud moment symbolizing progress and commitment, providing facilities for students.
St. Francis High School successfully hosted the Molecule Fest 2025 from November 7 to November 9, bringing together more per school from across India for literary and cultural competition. Fest was inaugurated by Srimati Ila Tripathi IAS and concluded with a valedictory ceremony led by Mr. C. Rajashekar Reddy, alumnus, and Fest celebrated creativity, talent, teamwork, and the spirit of the healthy competition.
On November 14, Children's Day was celebrated with inspiring messages from Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy and Superintendent of Police Mr. Sharat Chandra Pawar, who cautioned against drug use. Teachers entertained students with songs and skits, making the day joyful, meaningful, and memorable.
On December 16, 2025, the school joyfully celebrated the birthday of our principal and correspondent, Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy. Students expressed their joy and happiness through vibrant dance performances. Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy expressed his gratitude for the warm wishes, making the day memorable.
On December 23, 2025, the school celebrated Christmas with prayers, cultural performances, and a special ballet portraying love, peace, and goodwill. The staff also celebrated in collaboration with Montfort School, featuring a devotional crypt, candle lighting, carols, and performances. Addresses by Reverend Brother Uday Kumar Reddy and Bishop Karnam Dhaman Kumar added significance to the celebrations and concluded with gift distribution and a festive dinner.
Career guidance sessions were held for class 10 students to provide awareness on academic courses, admission procedures, and future educational options.
Class assemblies help students showcase talents, build confidence, and leadership while fostering teamwork, creativity, values, and stronger bonds with teachers.
NCC Day at St. Alphonsus High School was celebrated with pride, featuring discipline, unity, patriotism, and environmental responsibility. Chief Guest Mr. Ghulam Jilani honored the outstanding cadets while a tree plantation drive promoted conservation. The event was organized by NCC in charge Mr. Dilip Kumar. The Scouts unit of our school has been actively involved in instilling discipline and has been a source of pride for the school under the guidance of Scouts in charge Mr. Rajkumar.
Republic Day was marked by flag hoisting, cultural performances, and patriotic songs. Chief guest Dr. Vinay Kumar Reddy, alumnus, inspired students with his address, making the celebration memorable.
Excursions gave students experiential learning beyond the classroom, letting them explore historical, cultural, and natural sites while blending education with recreation and creating lasting memories. A group of our students embarked on an educational tour to South India, which proved to be both enriching and memorable.
The Literary Club organized debates, recitations, essays, elocution, quizzes, and poster making to enhance literary skills. The students participated actively and their performances reflected clarity of thought and effective communication, showcasing creativity and confidence.
The Cultural Club enhanced St. Alphonsus' reputation with inter-house competition in singing, dancing, instrumental music, fancy dress, and mime. The inter-house cultural competitions were held with great enthusiasm, showcasing talent across sub-junior, junior, and senior categories.
The Fine Arts Club showcased creativity through drawing, painting, rangoli, and mosaic competitions. Students participated actively and their works reflected creativity and innovations. The competition celebrated the spirit of creativity and cultural expression within the school campus.
The Games and Sports Club held inter-house competitions in volleyball, football, basketball, kho-kho, and athletics. Highlights include MD Khan of 9C played at 16th SDF Nationals, MD Ryan Saad of 8E played at Sub-Junior National Basketball Championship. Girls basketball teams from our school got qualified for the SDF state level competitions.
The Maths and Science Club encouraged critical thinking and problem solving, while the Maths Club promoted talent tests. Well-equipped labs further sparked curiosity, creativity, and innovation among students.
Language Club emphasizes on communication skills and interpersonal relationships. English newspapers, magazines, storybooks are made available to students for an extensive reading. The club encourages the students to gain confidence and the love for language while fostering appreciation for linguistic diversity.
The Social Environment Club organized anti-drug and AIDS awareness rallies. The club hosted a cleanliness program to promote hygiene, discipline and environmental awareness among students, encouraging everyone to contribute towards a healthier and cleaner environment.
As we celebrate our achievements and look ahead, Nelson Mandela's words remind us that education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. With gratitude to all who have contributed, St. Alphonsus High School continues its journey of excellence, growth and inspiration for the future.